Hi, I'm Dr. Rozina. I'm going to guide you for this next 3 minutes for a balanced compassion meditation. Hear my voice as if it's your own, guiding you. I choose to take this 3-minute break to check in and recharge my inner battery. Let me take 3 deep breaths. Let me scan my body and present state. If I feel tension in any part of my body, I can choose to let it go. I can choose to relax my feet, my calves, my hips, my stomach, my chest, my shoulders, my hands, my neck, my face. I feel relaxed. Let me bring a smile on my face. I am a compassionate person. I feel the purpose of my life is to serve. It gives me joy. So if I want to serve in the best way, I need to maintain the asset, myself, so I can continue to serve for the long haul. What are some of the things I need in this moment to take care of myself? I am a resilient being. I have choices. I choose to care for myself and balance it with the other's care. Sometimes I choose to say no to some things so I could say yes to others. I'm filling the gas in my car, my body, so I can drive it so it does not stop abruptly in the middle of nowhere. I charge my mind and my body so it does not stop when I need it the most. I breathe deeply so enough oxygen is available to my body. I nourish my body with good food so it can function at its best. I move my body enough so it can stay in its best shape. I listen to my body and give it enough rest for it to recover. I'm feeling relaxed. Now I'm going to get up refreshed. What would I like to do next? Whatever I'll do with intention and present-mindedness. I'll enjoy and do my best. I'll take my next break in next 3 hours. Good job to myself. Now you can come out, enjoy your next task, and see you in a few hours.